Moscow has had a large Islamic population for hundreds of years, but numbers have swelled in recent years with immigration.
And as huge numbers of Muslims mark Ramadan, mosques in the Russian capital are overflowing. Dan Ashby reports.
Moscow's Grand Mosque is all about scale, but it also reveals just how big Islam has become in Russia's capital city. Tens of thousands come to mark Ramadan, so many that some must even pray outside, and that is happening across the city.
There are no official figures for the numbers of Muslims in Moscow, but some estimates put the number as high as 2 million people. And with only 4 mosques in the city, there could be hundreds of thousands of people whose religion is not being catered for.
Many want more mosques to be built soon.
Очень недостаточно, увы, их очень мало. Хотелось бы больше во много раз.
Потому что знаю несколько регионов, в которых, например, даже маленький городок, который сравним с одним районом Москвы, даже в нем по 8 бывает и по 7 мечетей. То есть для Москвы это действительно очень маленький.
The government opened the Grand Mosque 4 years ago, providing a space to worship for 10,000 more people. But many applications for mosques are still turned down, as the current mayor of Moscow's position is that no more are needed. A report last year also revealed rising racism against immigrants from Islamic countries, and the Russian Orthodox Church continues to dominate religious life. But a leading imam emphasized the positive role that Muslims play.
Роль, наверное, самая такая активная позиция. Мусульмане никогда не стояли в стороне. Они, например, и выбрали и президента Российской Федерации, и в мэрии работают. Соответственно, работает в структурах правительства Москвы, правительства Российской Федерации, занимает очень такие соответствующие положения. Конечно, мусульманин должен быть активный и во время месяца Рамадан, и в жизни тоже. Это проявляет усердие. То есть усердие в чем? Усердие в работе, в учебе, в труде.
For now, the government is unlikely to sign off on many more mosques. So, like in years gone by, Islam will overflow onto Moscow's streets. And building or no building, thousands look set to put up with this test of faith. Dan Ashby, CNA, Moscow.